In this video, I'll show you how you can easily curve a text on Canva. Now this is really easy, guys, and what you have to do is just make a template or anything where you can add a text, and then you want to add your text, and let's just type YouTube. And let me make this a little bigger so you guys can see. And then what you want to do from in here is head over to the effects section, and at the bottom you will see something called curve. So if you click on it, you'll see it will curve, and you can change the direction of the curve and how much you want it to curve. So that is pretty simple, guys. And obviously the bigger it will curve, the bigger you make the text. So that is how it works. Now you also have the option to do some other stuff, but for curving you just want to select curve under effects, and then you can play around with how you want it to be. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.